Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and we will discuss what is asep underscore uf.exe and why is it running. So if you're looking at the task manager on a Windows computer, you might see asep underscore .exe running in the background. So on your computer taskbar, then you need to right click and then select task manager. And then once you open up this task manager, and then you need or go to services tab and then click. And then you need to scroll down and find and locate this asep services. And here you go guys, you can see now this asep services. So this is the Intel Dynamic Tuning as Service. So I don't know about you, but the name tells me nothing about what it could be related to. Is it a valid file? Could it be a part of malware or virus? So let's review what is asep underscore uf.exe is and why is it running. So we will short discuss about this. So what is asep underscore .exe? So as mentioned earlier, the name tells us nothing about what functions the executable serves. asep underscore uf.exe is a system process associated with Intel Dynamic Platform and Thermal Framework, DPTF. So the purpose of DPTF is to manage the power and thermal configurations of our system, ensuring optimal performance while preventing overheating or other hardware-related issues. If we look more at the name, the asep part stands up Enhanced System Interface Foundations, and the UF stands for User Feedback. It is still not so useful, but it is an Intel driver that notifies the user regarding the performance and thermal heating of the system. So it runs as the service name asep services with the friendlier display name Intel Dynamic Tuning Services. So also you can find this at services, then we need to close this task manager on a search menu and then type the services and then click open. And then once you open up the services and services local, and then you need now to find and locate this Intel Dynamic Tuning. So you need to scroll down, and here you go guys, you can see now this Intel Dynamic Tuning Services. So select and double click. And you can see the service name asep services, and also you can find this at path to executable and then move this arrow, and you can find also this asep underscore uf.exe. So there are four main functions of this service. So number one, dynamic performance adjustment. Dynamically adjust the power and performance of the processor based on workload demands. Number two, thermal management. Intel Dynamic Tuning monitors the processor's temperature and adjusts its performance to prevent overheating. And number three, enhanced battery life. In devices such as laptops and tablets, Intel Dynamic Tuning can optimize power consumptions to extend battery life without sacrificing performance. And the last one, adaptive responsiveness. The service can dynamically adjust CPU responsiveness to improve the user experience. For example, it can boost performance during demanding tasks like gaming or video editing and reduce power consumptions during idle or light usage scenarios. So is asep underscore uf.exe safe to continue running? Yes, asep underscore uf.exe is a perfectly safe. It is not malicious software. It is a legitimate file that has been digitally signed by Intel Corporation. So just be sure to verify it is located in the correct folder path, C drive system 32. To verify the signature, browse the File in Explorer, right-click on the file, and verify the correct signer in the digital signatures. So that's it guys. What is asep underscore uf.exe, and thanks for watching.